family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be all about natural hair. I'm going to be trying flax seeds for the very first time in my natural hair. I'm probably the only YouTuber or natural hair person on the planet that has never ever used flaxseed, and a lot of you have been commenting and asking me to try it. So guess what? We're doing it today. I'm gonna be keeping flaxseed in my hair overnight to see what happens. Like I said, I've never used this before, so I don't know what it's gonna do to my hair. I don't know what my hair is gonna feel like, but I'm dying to find out. So as you can see, my hair is braided into 2 pigtails. It's already been detangled. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go make our flaxseed, and we'll be right back. All right, family, so making the flaxseed gel is pretty easy, probably one of the easiest hair treatments to make. And all you need is flaxseed. So I'm going to be using the flaxseeds powder by Simply Nature. You can actually use the seeds, but this is what I found when I was looking for flax seeds. And since it's already in a powdery state, I thought this would be easier. So all you need is a bowl and a spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoop up 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and that is it. The next step is to add it to your boiling water and let it boil for about 5 minutes as I stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes, and this is what we have. A nice, thick, gooey, gel-like mixture. All right, so I'm going to transfer it back to my bowl. You can transfer it to a glass bowl or rubber bowl. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. All right, so this is what we have. So you want to let this sit for about 5 minutes so it can cool down, because you're going to be squeezing this out, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. All right, so to transfer this, you are going to need a jar. This can be a rubber jar, a mason jar, whatever jar. But you do want to make sure that whatever you use has a lid so that you can cover it up and keep it safe. So now this is an important part. If you don't want any of the flax seeds particles in your gel, you're gonna need to strain it with something very, very good. You can use a cheesecloth, you can use a stocking cap, or you can use a wig cap. For me, I always have wig caps laying around because I wear a lot of wigs. So I'm gonna be using one of them. All right, so this is what our mixture looks like. I did let it sit for a little bit to let it cool down, and now it's safe to transfer. Okay, so then I'm gonna lift my cap. See that? All the gel is seeping right out. Make sure to squeeze it real good to get all the gel out. All right, so this is what we have. Our gel is nice and clean. There are no flax seeds, there are no particles. It is just nice and clean. From what I heard, you can actually keep this in your refrigerator for about a week. All right, family, we are back. Here's our flaxseed. This thing is pretty thick, y'all. Like I like slip. You guys know that when I do my aloe vera or whatever treatments I do, I like a lot of slip. But this is so thick, and like, look at that. See that? Like, it's not falling off. I'm actually nervous about putting this in my hair. Like, look at that. Like, I can grab it all at once. I do like the smell. It reminds me of like oatmeal or something, but it's very, very slippery. See that? Let's go ahead and try this out. All right, family, so a lot of you might be asking, what is so good about flax seeds that would make anyone want to put it in their hair? I had the same questions, okay? But from my research that I did, which was not a lot of research at all, I was able to find some awesome benefits of flax seeds. Some of the benefits for flax seeds in your hair includes the fact that it is super rich and super high in vitamin E, which is awesome for your hair and skin. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, also great for your hair. It reduces the brittleness of your hair, making it stronger so it doesn't break easily. It nourishes the hair and scalp, and it also boosts hair growth. Now, as I said, this is my first time using it, so I don't expect any kind of overnight growth miracle, but I do want to see what it's going to do for my hair. I'm just gonna take my hair out one section at a time and try this out. You guys can see I'm wearing a hoodie because it's freezing and it's wash day, so I'm gonna put on something warm so I don't get sick. All right, so my hair is out. I don't know if you're supposed to use this as a detangler. I don't know, but this is pretty thick, all right? So I don't think that's gonna work well as a detangler. I'm just gonna try it on a small portion. So I have a hair tie. I'm gonna tie that down. I have my comb. I'm gonna comb this out. All right, the moment of truth. Again, here's our flax seed. Okay. I'm just gonna grab a tiny little bit, that much. And I'm gonna apply it. Ooh, wow. It feels really good on the hair. Wow. Okay. I like that. All right. I'm gonna grab my comb again, comb through. Wow. It definitely does make my hair feel soft. All right, I like that. So I'm just gonna get my scalp. All right, grab another section. I do appreciate the smell, and I also appreciate the fact that it's not super messy. Why I thought it was gonna like get stuck to my hair like glue almost. It's a gel, but it's a super thick gel, so I was kind of nervous about that. Look at that. Wow, I like that a lot. Oh my god, it feels so good. It feels like putting gel on your hair, except for this is 100% natural and it's chemical free. So this is definitely a must try. All right, my comb again. I'm always looking for something that's gonna make my curl pop. I feel like, what do you guys think? Look at that. That's some curl popping behaviors right there. All right, let's twist that up. I'm gonna move on to this side. Done. I'm gonna keep this in overnight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up. I'm gonna grab my clip from here, put it on, and then I'll cover my hair with my shower cap. I have been loving this one recently. They're all exactly the same, but to be honest, I don't know where the other ones are. So I've kind of been using this over and over, but they're the same. They do the same thing. They just have different colors. And I kind of like to match them with my outfit. This has a little bit of pink in it, as you can see there. And my hoodie is pink. I'm not even going anywhere, y'all. I'm just gonna be going to sleep, and I'll wake up tomorrow morning and wash my hair. But yeah, so this cap is perfect. As you guys have heard me say before, it is great to keep all your treatments in. It doesn't mess up your bedding. It doesn't, you know, make your treatments seep out like a regular plastic bag or a shower cap would. If you haven't grabbed one of these, please check out my store, namebatlux.com, and see if you can grab one for yourself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. All right, so this is what it looks like. See, all my hair is in, and then the back. All right, that is it. I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll wake up and wash this out of my hair and tell you guys exactly how it turned out. All right, family, this is the next morning. I'm just taking my shower cap off, and I'm ready to wash my hair. My hair did get a little bit dry, but not super dry. I still felt a little cold, and I feel like some of the gel got stuck to my hair a little bit, but you'll see here that it was very, very easy to get out. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use my handheld shower to rinse the gel out of my hair before I move on to washing it. All right, so it looks like the gel is completely out. I'm just gonna add my shampoo and wash my hair. For those of you who are gonna ask, I'm using the Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just making sure to get all of the shampoo and the gel out of my hair. And the first thing I notice is that my hair feels really, really soft. And another plus is the fact that my hair does not smell bad. A lot of these natural hair treatments can have a weird smell, but this, as I said, smells like oatmeal. And the smell did not bother me at night at all. It was very light, and I could barely tell I had something in my hair. You guys know that I almost never wash my hair open, but this made my hair really soft, really easy to detangle, so I was comfortable washing my hair open. Otherwise, I usually braid my hair up or twist it up before I wash it. So as you can see here, my hair looks nice and shiny and bouncy, and it's also not tangling up as it usually would. So what you didn't get to see here is that after my shower, I did go ahead and braid my hair into 2 big braids to let it air dry. So this is about 6 hours later. My hair is completely dry. It still feels soft. It feels bouncy. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my aloe vera oil. I love, love, love the smell and the feel of my aloe vera oil. It has a little bit of mint in it that makes your scalp feel very nice. It has a whole bunch of amazing natural, essential, and carrier oils to boost your hair growth and give it a beautiful shine. And it also has a very light and nice smell, so it doesn't give you a headache like a lot of the other oils do. So I'm just going to apply the aloe vera oil all over my hair, all over my scalp, massage it in, and just let my hair be for about an hour, and then I'm going to braid it up before I go to sleep tonight. All right, family, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.